Okay, so I mounted this on a better table, for Pete's sake. Very strong. I can put stuff underneath it as well. So I put the box in the other room to use it to hold electrical machinery. Let's call it that. Okay, so what I was going to cover. Let's see, I'll take a quick look at what I did do today anyway. Daily log, you know. Box is there, and that thing I got. So equipment can go there and on top. Same as this one too. Kind of dirty, I have to clean it out. What's lose the variac over there. Anyway. That's what I wasn't going to talk about. So I got inspired to look into all the spare parts that came with this big lathe. Lots of spare parts. It's screws and tools, extra steady wrists, taper attachment, chucks, faceplate. Now what I'm doing is another piece here too. I'm not sure what it's for, but there's all kinds of like boxes of parts. There's this Enco, Doggett Enco, who just gave me a deal and throw boxes of pieces of screws and nuts and bolts and gears and what else did he put in there? Gears and tools. So I'm just putting the cam lock pieces in the back of the faceplate and chuck. Then if I'm going to change chuck sometime, I installed a while ago this chain block, good for a ton, which would lift it up, put lots of wood down, take this out, put the other one in or whatever when I get around to it sometime, when I'm doing something. It has light, coolant. What else did they include? Follow rest, steady rest, really heavy, so you need a chain block like that. And spare, spare these things. I got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10 of them, and then chuck key, like wow, everything. I redid the knobs myself. I don't like plastic knobs. That's the only thing. So I got everything is brass knobs, along with this stuff too, you know. So this thing is checked out. It's got a certificate. All the belts are tight. Everything works. I even used it too, of course. That's for cutting a big chunk of brass metal. Or this piece here, these pieces. And boy, is the cut good. Yeah, it loves to eat metal, that's for sure. So that's what I was doing. I keep going on to it. Always something I'm doing, for sure. This lathe I built myself. That was fun. The tailstock and headstock are original, then I did all the rest. Machined everything, put a motor on it. It runs good. I did work with it. Works okay. Same with this one too. That one I rebuilt. A lot of fun. Got you out of trouble. Right. Wiping rag. Okay, yeah, that's what that is.